Llama 4 review. Is it worth your time? Let's get started. So what is Llama 4? Llama 4 is Meta's open-weight next-gen large language model. Released in April 2025, it includes two main variants, which is the Scout and Maverick. It's built on mixture of experts, architecture, and design for native multimodality, which is the text plus image generation. Now let's talk about its strengths. It offers open source and which is cost efficient. It also has a large context supports. It also has multimodal capabilities, a solid benchmark performance. And we have its weakness. So it has benchmark controversy. It also has underwhelming real-world use. It has context degradation and some deployment hurdles, which also has licensing and access restrictions. So why should you use it? Well, it depends on you if you want to use the AI itself, but it is legit and powerful under the right conditions. But it's not yet a universal game changer, so if you want to use it and want it to make it worth your time, you need to maximize your usage of it by learning it more on how you can take advantage of it. But overall, Llama AI or Llama 4 is a good platform.